If you have gone through UPSC syllabus, you already know geography has the widest coverage and the most exhausting book list. 4 NCRTs, which includes class 11th and 12th, GC Leong, Khullar for Geography of India, Mazid Hussain, plus value-added notes, which includes rivers, soils, landforms, maps. You read these 5-6 times. You highlight, memorize, repeat, and still you are unable to attempt questions. Why? It's not that you did not study. You studied in silos. Let me ask you this. Why does the Mediterranean region grow citrus fruits? Can you answer that using pressure belts, wind patterns, and ocean currents together? If not, that's exactly the problem. You read chapter 10, then you read chapter 14, which includes ocean currents, then monsoon, then vegetation from Geography of India, and all separately. No integration. As if pressure belts don't affect rainfall. As if ocean currents don't shape coastlines. As if vegetation grow in vacuum. So what happens? You memorize facts without forming conceptual links. You become a collector of data, not a thinker. But geography is a web, not a list. Take subtropical high for example, deserts. It drives trade winds, generates cold currents, causes coastal dryness, shapes vegetation, limits farming, and that's the chain UPSC want you to form, cause to effect. Why? Because UPSC does not test topics, it tests linkages. But most aspirants don't prepare that way. Say for example, let's see the UPSC questions. UPSC asked about different climatic regions of the world. Now this looked like a data heavy question about a region, and it becomes very difficult to memorize so much of data for each region, which includes Mediterranean, British type, China type, Sudan type, etc. You need to mentally map pressure belt, wind pattern, rainfall, vegetation, agriculture. It's one story, not 5 topics. Don't take rote learning route. UPSC asked another question, so I'm showing you some more question. 2021 PYQ was asked, and it asked about the western and the eastern section of oceans. Now if you read by yourself, you can think of cold current, warm current while solving these questions, but that knowledge will not make this question correct. What you won't be able to do here is interlinking this with climatic circulation and wind pattern. Let's see one more PYQ of 2015, which is related to vegetation type. Now this question can't be solved just by reading vegetation. This question can be solved only if you have studied vegetation with climate and soil type together. Studying on your own rarely builds that depth until you have made 100 of mistakes. And let's be honest guys, even after 6 revisions, hundreds of PYQs and all the PDFs, most aspirants still struggle to connect the dots. But what if you did not have to go through that? What if in 1 2-hour class you could see how concepts links visually, watch UPSC questions unfold logically, and learn geography the way UPSC tests it? That's exactly what we do in our foundation course. We teach concepts with linkages. You solve PYQ in class, you revise not facts but cause-effect chains, and suddenly your NCRT don't feel like a mystery, rather it feels like a summary. Thank you so much.